In the land of Khruangbin. Good morning, it's 8:30. Time to go get brunch. We have arrived at Benedict's. Let's go get some brunch. I'm actually starving. Let's go.
And every little time I think of her is every little time I think of now. She's my morning. It's gonna get in my head. She cut in her head.
The pistachio is not very strong at all. It's just such a shame.
She's the only one for me.
Yeah, it's like a butterfly tree. Oh my gosh, all the butterflies are here. That's incredible.
Wide awake in a dream. Every little time I walk with her, she's a little mixed up, but that's alright.
I really want this one.
Baby. And every little thing she says to me is every little thing that I believe. And she's my morning. It's gonna get in my head. She's cutting her hair. She's the only one for me. Yeah. Shut on down. Right away in a dream.
Good fun, isn't it?
Yeah, good time.
Here we go.
It's 1:30. We're just leaving Ocean Beach. I got these earrings at this. It's like an antique shop, but actually I asked them how they acquired all their jewelry because they have like quite a lot of jewelry. And the woman kind of stared at me, but she was like, oh, we just get it from the manufacturer, aka they buy it new. I am so happy with this. This was $30 and it's gold-plated sterling silver. They had a circle one and then they had a square one. And the square one was $145 and this was only $30. They had a couple other jade pieces, like some dangly ones, but this is just so classic and it's like good enough for everyday wear. This is so nice. This time tomorrow, we'll be at the airport. And then in 48 hours, we'll be having a delicious Swiss meal.